A new generation of medical technologies designed not only to follow global standards, but to redefine them. In-vivo reflectance confocal microscope breaks long-standing barriers in skin imaging. X-ray radiotherapy system represents a new chapter in dermatological treatment, delivering reliable, high-performance solutions and accelerating domestic substitution in clinical care. In women's health, magnetic stimulation system and pelvic floor therapy devices, non-invasive solutions. Precision meets comfort with rebound tonometer, patient-friendly eye pressure measurement. Semiconductor laser therapy systems offer a more complete and versatile treatment portfolio. UV phototherapy systems have undergone comprehensive technological upgrades to deliver enhanced performance and stability. Rooted locally, expanding globally. In 2025 major international exhibitions. April in Orlando at the AAD annual meeting. August at Beauty Expo Australia. September in France at EADV. November in Germany at Medica. Honored by national level recognitions. As a Little Giant specialized enterprise. A national intellectual property demonstration company, and a recognized leader in innovation-driven development. Focused on our core mission, committed to innovation and quality, Kernel continued to deliver advanced medical technologies for a healthier future, worldwide.